Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change system navigation method on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, simply open up the settings, now scroll all the way down until you find the system, and now tap on gestures. Select navigation mode, and we can use 3-button navigation. That's actually the mode that I'm currently using. So we have those 3 buttons on the edge, on the bottom of the screen, but we can also use the gesture navigation. Everything, of course, works. If you would like to, let's say that you're using gesture navigation normally and you would like to switch to 3 buttons, simply tap on that. We also have the settings. We can change a combination of the navigation buttons. You can see down below that they are changing. So simply select the mode that you want to use. You can also edit the gesture navigation, such as back sensitivity. We have this bar in the middle. We can select the sensitivity level, low, medium, or high, and also for the right edge, same values. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.